Welcome back. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are PGA Prep on 4 and Homestead Primary on 2. And it's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. The teams have already made their selections for each face-off, so let's begin. Our first face-off is in mathematics, and it's Jalissa Forbes from Homestead up against PGA's captain Ariel Hitchens. Jalissa, what is the equivalent of the Roman numeral CDX?
Pass.
Would you like to try, Ariel?
Yes, please. 610.
Incorrect, it's 410. Jalissa, back to you. What is 0.14 multiplied by 1,000?
14.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Ariel?
No, thank you.
It's 140. Jalissa, what is the next term in the series? 7, 14, 21, 28.
35.
Correct. Jalissa, what is 69 over 8 as a mixed number? Would you like to try, Ariel?
No, thank you.
It's 8 and 5/8. Jalissa, what is the positive square root of 144?
Pass.
Ariel, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 12. Now your questions, Ariel. What is the equivalent of the Roman numeral XLVII?
666.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jalissa?
No, thank you.
It's 47. Ariel, back to you. What is 0.015 times 100?
1.5.
Correct. What is the next term in the series? 9, 18, 27, 36.
45.
Correct. What is 75 over 7 as a mixed number?
10 and 5 over 7.
Correct. And what is the square of 11?
121.
That is correct. That's the end of the math face-off. We move on to science, and this is Toshana Thomas from Homestead up against Kalila Carr from PGA. Toshana, complete this sentence with the correct word. The process by which liquid changes to gas is called?
The boiling point?
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Kalila?
Yes, Miss. Condensation?
Incorrect. It's evaporation. Toshana, what protects the Earth by absorbing ultraviolet solar radiation?
The ozone layer?
Correct. In which organ of the body is the iris?
In the eye?
Correct. A flagpole is an example of which type of simple machine?
A pulley?
Correct. And starting with the producer, arrange this food chain in the correct order. Man, cow, grass.
Grass, cow, man.
That is correct. Kalila, your questions. Complete this sentence with the correct word. The process by which water vapors change to liquid is called? Would you like to try, Toshana?
No, thank you.
Condensation. Kalila, which gas is said to have the highest volume found in the atmosphere?
Nitrogen?
Correct. In which organ of the body is the epidermis?
The ear?
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Toshana?
Yes, please. The skin?
That is correct. Kalila, a wheelchair ramp is an example of what type of simple machine?
Oh, a wedge?
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Toshana?
The wheel and axle?
Incorrect. It's an inclined plane. Kalila, starting with the producer. Arrange this food chain in the correct order. Eagle, worm, bird.
Worm, bird, eagle.
That is correct. That's the end of the science face-off. We move on to English language. This is Rihanna Webley from Homestead up against Marcus Marson from PGA. Rihanna, what is the plural of the word goose?
Geese.
Correct. Identify the adjective in this sentence. I love to go to the water park.
I love to go to the love.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Marcus?
No, miss.
It's water. Rihanna, spell savage.
SAVAGE.
Correct. Give a three-letter word starting with F, which means the same as enemy.
For
Correct. And identify the subject in this sentence. The bus arrived safely.
the bus.
Correct. Marcus, your questions. What is the plural of the word moose?
Mice.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Rihanna?
No, thank you.
It's moose. Marcus, identify the adverb in this sentence. The new book is quite interesting.
Quite.
Correct. Spell release.
RELEASE.
Correct. Give a four-letter word starting with M, which means the same as create.
Make.
Correct. And identify the predicate in this sentence. The woman was lost in the crowd.
Lost.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Rihanna?
No, thank you.
Was lost in the crowd. That's the end of the English language face-off, and the final face-off in social studies is Captain Khalees Reed from Homestead up against Shanoya Williamson from PGA. Khalees, in which Jamaican parish are the Hellshire Hills?
Pass.
Would you like to try, Shanoya?
Yes, Miss St. Catherine.
That is correct. Khalees, what is the name of the line of longitude that divides the world into two equal sections?
The equator.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Shanoya?
Yes, Miss the prime meridian.
That is correct. Khalees, what is the largest English-speaking country in the Greater Antilles?
Pass.
Would you like to try, Shanoya?
Yes, Miss Jamaica.
Correct. Khalees, in which Caribbean country is Dr. Keith Rowley the Prime Minister?
Trinidad and Tobago.
Correct. And which planet orbits the Sun once in every 88 days?
Mercury.
That is correct. Now, Shanoya, in which Jamaican parish is the town of Buff Bay?
St. Anne.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Khalees?
No, thank you.
It's Portland. Shanoya, what is the name of the line of latitude that divides the world into two equal hemispheres?
The equator.
Correct. What is the collective name for the larger islands of the Lesser Antilles?
The Windward Islands.
Correct. In which Caribbean country is Mia Mottley the Prime Minister?
Barbados.
Correct. And which planet orbits the Sun once every 225 days?
Venus.
That is correct. That ends our face-off. Stay tuned, more Quest for Quiz when we return from this break.